Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's me Lily, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to make a slow-mo video on TikTok. So first of all, launch your TikTok app. Now tap on the plus icon to record a new video. So right now it is in photo mode. Tap on 15 seconds to create a video. Now in the right corner you can see various options. Tap on the second last option, which is the speed option. So in order to make a slow-mo video, you can choose 0.5x or 0.3x depending on how much slow you want to make the video. Let me choose the 0.5x. So now you can start recording your video. After you have recorded the video, tap on the tick button. So you can see your slow-mo video has been recorded. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.